Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the ways to convert BNB to USDT in Binance. So for that case, you have to go and log in into your Binance account. When you're logged in, that's gonna take you to the home page, and here it's gonna look something like this. So basically, what you have to do is, first of all, you need to go to the wallet tab. So first of all, you have to go to the logo from the top right, and over here you need to go and select more services. So type in convert. When you type in convert over here, you need to go and select BNB to USDT. So select that from BNB to USDT. So when you locate BNB over here, next you need to type in USDT. After that, you need to enter the exact amount that you want to convert, and you need to click on trade located right at the bottom. Once you've done that, you'll have successfully converted BNB to USDT and Binance. So with that, you'll have successfully completed the steps. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.